In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Canva in just seconds with a simple step-by-step tutorial. If you want to create cool reverse effects for your videos, this guide will make it easy. First, open Canva on your browser or app and start a new video project, or open an existing one. Upload the video you want to reverse by clicking the Uploads tab and selecting your file. Drag the video onto the timeline or canvas. Unfortunately, Canva doesn't have a built-in reverse video feature yet. But here's a quick workaround. You can use a free online video reverser like Capwing or Clideo. Upload your video to the online tool and select the reverse option. Once processed, download the reversed video file to your device. Return to Canva and upload the reversed video. Add it to your project timeline and continue editing as needed. This way, you can easily include reversed videos in your Canva projects without hassle. That's it! Now you know how to reverse a video in Canva quickly using this simple workaround. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy video editing tips.